Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today's April 20th, 2021, and I'm your host Dan. First off, happy Doge Day. Hopefully you guys get that 69 cents you are looking for. So on to the big event this weekend. We had that sell-off in the crypto market. Bitcoin dropped down to in the low 50s. And then recovered from there, and there were some speculations on what happened, and social media quickly pointed out, and this is from Glassnode by the way, that the likely result was from the power outage in the Xinjiang, China province, where a majority of the Bitcoin mining is happening. So with the malfunction there, the hash rate dropped, and that resulted in the price drop in Bitcoin. And with that, we saw also about $5 billion of leverage wiped out. So people who were net long using leverage via futures, they were all wiped out. So the good thing from this is we're getting a de-risking event. So a lot of people were using leverage to risk on the bullishness of Bitcoin, and they were wiped out, which will help to take off some of the risk from the table to help stabilize us. So we don't know what the real reason is. Social media is pointing to the event in China, but who knows? And check out this tweet from NYDIG. They published their premium statement to their clients. This is not available to regular free subscribers, but they did share this on Twitter. I don't think you can see it on here, but the main point was that they were net buyers over the weekend, so they don't see the drop as a significant event, and they took the opportunity to buy the dip. On the venture scene, it's reported that so far in 2021 year to date, there has already been more large deals than in all of 2020. So it's these blips up here on the top. In 2020, for deals over $50 million, there was 7. And already in Q1 2021, we already have 14. Binance has hired the former head of the US OCC, Brian Brooks, to become their new CEO, and he quickly hopped on to CNBC to talk about what he plans to do with Binance US, which is to ramp up their offerings to the US clients. They want to offer margin, leverage, derivatives, and futures like their Binance.com counterpart. And I think that's great news for us US users. As you know, we have a more neutered form of Binance here in Binance.us. I haven't used Binance US because of that, and unfortunately I cannot use Binance.com due to geographical my location. So hopefully with Brian on board, increasing the products for us Binance US customers, I would definitely be a user. PayPal announced that they're going to be allowing users to buy and sell crypto on the Venmo app. And Canada's 3iQ management fund got the okay to list their Bitcoin fund in the Nasdaq Dubai. So this is going to be the Middle Eastern's first exposure to a Bitcoin fund. Here's a video of Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky talking about cryptocurrency. As you know, Brian Armstrong, the founder of Coinbase, started out as an engineer at Airbnb. And here Brian Chesky is saying that he is looking at cryptocurrency, but at the moment he's not ready to announce anything yet, but I'm sure he's looking into this space. And it would be really cool if Airbnb will allow us to transact crypto as a form of payment on Airbnb. I think that'll be a really strong motivation or push for the crypto scene. And lastly, for education pieces, check out this work from Blockworks to lay out the foundation for why you want to invest into Bitcoin if you have not already done so. Share this with your friends and family to get them on board. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.